Hey, Erin here, and I want to show you how you can favorite recipes here inside of the MyFreezEasy app. So let's say the Instant Pot is your new favorite appliance and you are making a lot of freezer Instant Pot meals because your life is really busy and you need more of these in your freezer. So you can come into the Instant Pot category and you can tap on the recipe. Ooh, this chicken and sausage Alfredo is yummy. Tap that heart. And let's find one more. Ooh, I've already favorited that one. This is also another delicious one. And then when you want to find the recipes that you have favorited, you go back to the search categories list. Come under here under dietary preferences and tap here, and this will have a list of all the recipes that you have favorited both now and ones that you have favorited in the past. And those are the ones that I just favorited there. And that is how you mark recipes as favorites, and then from here you can drag and drop them into the box and create a meal plan of all your family favorites.